Hi, today in this video we will learn how we can create our own tab without using devexpress. As we know that Uniconta uses devexpress library to create their controls, but we can create our own tabs without using the devexpress controls also. So in today's video I will show you how we can create a normal window using the WPF controls and how we can use that in Uniconta. So for that we have used this I plugin in the base interface which is exposed by Uniconta, and here I have used the execute function. So for this I have created a class called plugin open tab. So this class implements this interface I plugin base, and for this one I only use this execute function. So you can see, so here I have created this project. So I have created a simple project, a simple control called depth win. So if I go to this one, it's a simple window, and then in this control I have created this I use this depth order client. So this one I have used for showing the data. So if you can see in the XAML that I have not used any third-party controls. I have just used the normal labels and stack panels and buttons. So these are all WPF controls. So here I am binding it to the different properties like name, account, order number, delivery date, and all these. And there are some functions which I have done here for on the lines to show the, since it is dependent on the order, so there is a master child relationship. As you know that if we have an order, then it has some lines. So when we have these lines, so if I press go to the code, so you can see I have just bind this control to depth order, and then I've set the data context of the control in order to show the depth orders. And then there are two functions here. One is the lines and one is report. So in lines, what I have done is I'm opening the order lines and I am passing this order which we have here in the depth order as a master to this page. So this is a Uniconta page. So what it will do is it will open a new order lines page tab in the Uniconta, and the another one is the report button. So for this we will create a report in this called depth order in Uniconta, and then we will pass the parameters to open that report also in a new tab from this our own window also. So for that we have passed create a source, and in this source we have two files. One is this is the way how we pass the arguments for this reports preview page, which is used to preview pages in Uniconta. So this one in a depth order, it is this is the name of the report. So in the first argument we are providing what is the source, and in the second argument we are providing the name of the depth order, so that we can know okay which report we want to open. So for these two we have made an array of this, and then we are passing it to this report preview page. So this code we have done, and now we have this page. So only this depth window, and then this plugin open tab which I have showed you that is the execute function. So these two are required there, and then I will just compile my project. So I am compiling it. So once it is succeeded, so we will upload the TLL in the as a partner plugin to Uniconta, and then we will make our plugin there, and then we will make a login our local menu on depth order screen. So now the project is compiled. So now we'll go to Uniconta. So here we will go to our partner plugins, and here we'll add our plugin. You can also upload your Uniconda even if you are not a partner as on your local machine, but that I will show you in another video, and I will add its link in the description if you want to see that one also. So, but for now we will add it using the partner plugin. So this for this one I have just given the name Deptogin, and then we need just the DLLs. So what we do, we go to this one containing folder, and then here we go this path, and just we will go add this one, and from bin we have just We have all these DL Express references, but we don't really need all these. It is just edit for this part, this video. So we have this work, so we have added this and we save it. So once we save it, this one, you can see we have this chapter win is available here. Is our chapter win. I have already uploaded, so I have not want to upload it again. So now we will go to tools and then user plugin, and then we will add our make a plugin. So we will call it again chapter win, and control we want to add it in depth orders, so we will say debtor depth orders, and then derails we have uploaded called debtor win, so we'll choose this partner plugin here called debtor win, and then we say okay, and then prompt text we don't need, and in prompt text we will just say debtor win. Okay, and then in class name is the same which we provided here, this one plugin open tab, so we'll copy this one, and then we will again go in the class name. We will, oh, it's not get copied, so I will say we can't see control this is one edit, and in command we don't need a command here, so no, here we in the execute function we have used this open adapter win, so this one is a command which we required here, so this one will provide here in the adapter when no argument is not required. Disable type of plugin. For the type of plugin, this event, since whenever we use this I plugin base, we have to provide type of plugin as event. So we'll do that and say save. So once we have saved it, we will get this one user plugin called adapter win here. So now we will go to customer sales. We want to edit depth order scheme. So once we are here, we can see we have this chapter win here. So we can say chapter win. So in this is a window we got now. So once we can click on order lines, and when we click on order lines, yeah, you can see this is a order number 53. This is a selected item we have. So if I press cancel here, so you can see this is for order number 53. If I go to the Liverpool designer and I can use a point and say chapter win, you can say Liverpool here and then order lines. So it will open this Liverpool. So this is basically the our plugin, and if you go say show report, then this is a reports page which is it has shown, and then it is loading our report. I have already added our created the reports there in the Uniconta, so it will open this page and then cancel it. Will cancel it. Yeah, so that's it. That's how we can add our open tab, and we can do different functionalities in this one in from. So yeah, this one is printed, so you can see you have Liverpool designer for. So this is what we have here in the selected line in sales order. Here you can see Liverpool designer and 293 and all this, and 293, yeah, with the sales value, yeah. So this is how we can create our own tab. You can provide different functionalities about as per your requirement. But this is a simple demo which I have uploaded. So if you have any question or anything, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.